In this module of why air source heat pump field assessments matter, we will touch on why we, as field agents, check for supplemental heat controls and a functional distribution system. These checks correspond to checks 05 and 06 on the New York State Clean Heat Quality Assurance and Quality Control Air Source Heat Pump Checklist. In this module, you will learn the benefit of properly controlling the heat pump and any supplemental heat sources, and the issues that can come up when the heat pump cannot keep the entire conditioned space comfortable. For 05, field agents confirm that the customer has received instructions on controls integration of supplemental heat sources to provide primacy of the air source heat pump equipment. In simpler terms, the heat pump should be set as the primary heat source, while any other systems should act as backup. For homes heated by both an air source heat pump and electric resistance or fossil fuel-based heating, it is recommended to use the air source heat pump as the primary source of heating to take advantage of the heat pump's high efficiency and zero direct carbon heating. The supplemental heating system should be set to operate only below a balance point, which should be based on economics, carbon, or capacity. If a supplemental electric resistance or fossil fuel heating system is set to operate above its balance point, it could lead to the homeowner relying on a less efficient and less environmentally friendly system. To help homeowners take full advantage of their investment, contractors should inform them about the system settings and provide written instructions on how to change these settings. Contractors should also inform homeowners about the balance point and instruct them to only trigger the backup heating system below this point. For 06, field agents confirm that the distribution system can provide sufficient comfort to all spaces conditioned by the heat pump units. New York State Clean Heat offers incentives for installing heat pump systems that can efficiently heat the entire homes without backup. However, if the distribution from the heat pump systems is inadequate, occupants may have to use less efficient backup heating systems, such as a furnace, boiler, electric baseboard, or space heater, to maintain a comfortable temperature. Not only are these systems less efficient, they can also lead to higher energy costs for the homeowner. Continued use of a furnace or boiler due to inadequate distribution also forces homeowners to continue to pay for costly fuel delivery services, and it limits their options to decommission or remove that system in the future. Common points of failure for this checklist item include duct systems with inadequately small trunks or duct runs. Heat pumps require slightly wider ducts than fossil fuel furnaces due to lower supply temperature. Duct runs with compressions or excessive lengths or bends. Duct runs with insufficient air sealing and insulation, particularly through unconditioned or indirectly conditioned space. Lack of registers or ductless heads in occupied rooms with high heat loss to the outside, and poor placement of ductless heads or fan settings that do not adequately move conditioned air into the living space it serves. This concludes Module 8 of Why Air Source Heat Pump Field Assessments Matter.